Oh, good afternoon everybody. I'm just doing a little film of this little site we've just arrived at. Now then, you're going to ask me what village name is. Can't remember a thing. It's just a little CL site. Usual places where we've had loads of rain last night. And look at that, to drive in over grass, and it's so soft, nearly get stuck. But they're hard standings, but the grass is soft. Took a lot of rain last night and this morning. And this is the entrance in. Trying to remember the name of the village. It's Helperthorpe or something. I walk up lane. This is entrance into park. We've been out a fortnight, getting on for 3 weeks really. And we're on our way back to Leeds. I've got to send in a drawing out to California on Tuesday. I've got to pick it up from the framers on Tuesday and wrap it, package it, look at the package it and send it off to California. So this is our last day. We're just having a night here. We're hoping there'll be a pub, but there ain't a pub in the village. Just a little tiny village. Sun's come out. And then we're off back tomorrow. For a week or two at Tracy's. So yeah, so this is where we are now. Little village. I wish I could tell you the name of this village. That's the, don't know if you can see it, Pear Tree. You can't see it on here. Pear Tree Cottages. I do not know the name of the village. Sorry. Okay.